trees grow, flowers talk and secrets flow. Butterflies on petals land, holding mysteries in their hands. Sunbeams bounce off morning dew. Every leaf has tales to spew. Listen close to breezes hum, tales of love and days to come. Oh, the garden of our dreams, more than what it first may seem. Every whisper, every glance, now our hearts begin to dance. Under moonlight shadows play, nighttime turns the dark to gray. Stars above begin to blink, secrets shed in every wink. Oh, the garden of our dreams, more than what it first may seem. Every whisper, every glance, now our hearts begin to dance. Paths of wonder we will tread, in this world where words are spread. Living colors, tales unfold, all our dreams start to behold.